Ann here from Backroad Buddies, and the video I want to share with you today is about Louisville, Kentucky. To get your bearings, this is the state of Kentucky, and Louisville is right here in the north, about in the center of the state, right on the Ohio River. Now here's a closer view of the downtown area. We only spent about one full day exploring Louisville. We were camping northeast of the city along the Ohio River at Charleston State Park. But we drove in, we started out the day by coming down here to what's called Old Louisville, and that's I forget how many square blocks area it is, which is just filled with a whole bunch of Victorian houses. So we went on a walking tour, and that was very interesting. And then we drove down here to Waterfront Park. I guess we parked down in here and walked around, and we walked over this bridge here. It's an old railroad bridge called the Big Four Bridge. Walked over, and this is Jeffersonville, Indiana, and just got a drink and kind of just strolled around and came back. And then we walked over to East Market District, which is in here. And that's just kind of a revitalized little several blocks of shops and restaurants and hotels. And that was just an interesting place to go. It's also known as NuLu, N-U-L-U. So just a wonderful time. We had some ice cream, and then we had dinner there. So just had a wonderful stroll. And then the next day we actually drove over and visited some relatives, and they took us out to lunch, and I tried a local favorite, which is called the hot brown. So sit back, relax, and enjoy Louisville, Kentucky. Thanks for watching. If you want more details about our experiences, look in the description below for a link to our related blog posts, so check that out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Ta-ta for now.